This tutorial is for those of you who want to book private, either virtual or in-person classes. The only difference is after you schedule through my scheduling system, if you're doing in person, just shoot me an email and let me know you'll be here live. So let's say you are on my landing page at bonesmartpilates.as.me and you want to save money by buying a discount bundled private package session. So you'd scoot down here in the different categories to discount bundled private sessions. And here you'll see different choices for a 10-pack of 1-hour classes, a 5-pack of 1-hour classes, or a 3-pack of private sessions that are express, so basically half an hour. So let's say you decide to get the 10-pack of privates. I notice here on the upper right is login, and I ask you to go ahead and log in. So I will do that right now, and I am going to put in my email address and password to log in. And you'll see when you do that, and I just saved that so it'll always autofill. You see it shows you what upcoming appointments you have and any active coupon codes you have from previous packages that you might have purchased. So let's say you're going to purchase now the discount bundled private classes, and you're going to get the 10-pack class. It autofills all this information here, and I don't want to put in my credit card information. That's where you would click pay now and complete order. So I'm just going to put in a little code I did for myself to give me free access. And then there we go. It's going to show you your receipt confirmation page. And you'll notice here is a link to schedule your classes now. So click on that, and then you go to your classes that you want, and you'll see here your code, but you don't need to remember it. It'll autofill. So let's say I want to do a new, here's the other thing. If this is your very first time booking with me, I'd ask you to please do new client private full class, because then it will prompt you to fill out a little bit of online paperwork so I can get you to know you better before we meet. But let's say you've done a class with me before, I know you would click returning client for all the rest of your appointments. It takes you to the calendar right here. Let's say you want to do this coming Wednesday. Sorry, it showed 10 a.m. was available. I pushed a little too soon, but there it goes. Everything is auto-filled in, the code is filled in, and you complete appointment. And there you have it. It's added on October 27th at 10 a.m. With the code applied. There's your confirmation. Here's the link, and it will also send you an email with a reminder before the session to be able to have that link accessible. I would not skip this step if you use calendars to add it to your calendar system of choice, whether it's iCal, Outlook, or Google. Click that and it'll populate into your calendar. So that's it. Hope that was helpful for you.